we'll start out with your ball of yarn. So grab your ball of yarn and find the end and just unravel a bit of yarn and put the yarn down beside you. Okay, so to do a slip knot, come in about 30 centimeters from the end of the yarn and then lay that over your hand. So in the palm of your hand, the end that's cut is the end that's on top, the end that's attached to the ball is going towards the back. Grab the end that's attached to the ball and wrap it around your hand once, and then flip your hand over. Okay, so with the end that's attached to the ball, make a loop under the yarn that's going around your hand. So from the side of your knuckles, just loop the yarn under. And so the top of the loop is towards your fingers. And grab the top of the loop, slide your hand out and pull. Grab the cut end and pull to tighten that. So the way to check that you've got your slip knot done correctly is the end that's attached to the ball makes the knot go bigger and smaller. So that is a correct and successful slip knot. So I'll just run you through that again. So come in 30 centimeters, place that on your hand with the end that's attached to the ball. So that's at the top of the palm, wrap it around your hand once, flip your hand over, grab the end that's attached to the ball, and from the side of your knuckles, do a loop under the yarn that's already around your hand. Grab the top of that loop, slide your hand out and pull the cut end to tighten. And then check by pulling the end that's attached to the yarn so it goes up and down. So that's how to do a slip knot.